Hello friends, this is Bilal Sheikh and you are watching my YouTube channel Bill and Tech. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can remove background noise in Filmora 9, and I will also tell you that how you can detach audio from a video or how you can delete audio from the video in Filmora 9. So guys, move on and open the Filmora 9. Drag the video from the folder to the Filmora 9 and now drag it again down to start editing. Click here on to match media. Listen.
प्रदेश में रहने वाले कहते हैं कि ने कहा ही नहीं.
Now right click on your mouse and click on adjust audio. These are the options. Now click on the remove background noise. Click this option. I have clicked, and now put this dot in the middle and then press OK, and then see what happened.
प्रदेश में रहने वाले कहते हैं कि
as you have observed, now again go to the adjust audio option and then click on the strong and then OK, and then again I will show you what happened in the noise.
प्रदेश में रहने वाले कहते हैं कि कभी किसी ने कहा ही नहीं वापस कर आने को, हमने पैसे इतने भेजे थे.
Now I will show you how to detach audio. Right click on your mouse, go to the detach audio option. Left click on detach audio. The audio is detached. It can be used further. Now see what happened.
प्रदेश में रहने वाले कहते हैं कि
Now right click and then go to the option of cut. The audio will be detached or deleted. It depends on your requirement that you want the video to be deleted or just want your video to detach. So subscribe my channel now and also like and share. Now I'm gonna add the audio. Click on the audio option and select any audio and drag it down to add the audio. As our video is in a limited state, so we will cut the rest of the audio by clicking and then right click and then go to cut option to delete the further audio. Like this you can add audio as you have seen. Now I'm gonna save this file. I'm gonna save this project. So guys, as you have seen that how I have detached the audio from the Filmora 9, similarly you can do this. And if you don't want to delete the audio, you have another option to use in. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Like this video. If you have any comments about Filmora 9 or you want to know about any option, you have comment option. Give me a comment, and thank you once again. Bye for now.